Hello and welcome to this lesson of the course. This time we'll work on the sketches. To do this, I'm going to choose a brush from Kyle's brushes pack. Okay, I'm going to begin sketching the characters using black color. Many of the signs are based on mythology and animals, so we will give our own twist to them. I'll go for simplicity because there's 12 of them. That's why I'll go for simple and round-looking expressions. This is the first one, Aries, from the side. This sign is associated with a ram, so I decided to add horns as a detail. Let's work on Taurus now. In this case, the sign is associated with a bull, so horns are good again. I think I'll give this character a cooler expression, like if the character felt confident. Regarding Gemini, I will turn on the symmetry to draw two girls at the same time touching each other's hand. This is to show that they are very close. As you can see, this is much easier using the symmetry. Both girls look alike, so this is perfect. It's Cancer's turn. This sign is associated with a crab, so let's think of something. I don't want to give claws to this character, but her hairstyle could look similar to the shape of a crab. Alright, see? Now the pigtails look like claws. I think I could also add a couple of feelers on top of the head. I'm going to turn off the symmetry again because I made a mistake and I've been painting over Taurus by accident. On to the second row. For Leo, I've thought of drawing a girl with a very long hair. Given that this sign is associated with a lion, I think it will be nice to paint a couple of fangs. Yeah, it's like she's yawning, but that's okay. The long hair and the fangs will do. Now Virgo. This sign is usually associated with a woman. I have been drawing female characters so far, so luck is on my side here. I'm drawing what would be a depiction of a pure and innocent girl. I've added a flower crown and I've given her curly hair. For Libra, I'm going to use the symmetry again because Libra is associated with balance. And a calm expression. I'll try to draw her hands like if she were holding something with both of them. For Scorpio, I've thought of doing something with the hair. This sign is associated with a scorpion, so I try to give this character an angry expression. The icing on the cake will be a bun on top of the hair, resembling the stinger of a scorpion. And this is it. Let's work on Sagittarius. This sign is associated with the centaur, so I draw her from the side. This time she will have a ponytail. That saves us a lot of time, and we avoid thinking on more complicated things to depict this character. I'll add a bobby pin too, but with a twist. This sign is also associated with a bow and an arrow, so this bobby pin will have the shape of an arrow. It's Capricorn's turn. For this sign, I've usually seen it depicted like a goat with the tail of a fish. I think that a curly hair may look fine for this. I'll also draw two bones on the hair, perhaps with a shape that looks similar to the horns of a goat. This is fine. Let's work on Aquarius. I'll draw an even curlier hair this time, like the waves on the ocean. I'll also add an amphora, which usually appears in the depictions of this sign. And last but not least, Pisces. This sign is associated with fishes, so the hair of this character will look like a fin. I'll also add a little ornament with a shell. Alright, this is the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I would like to see your sketches, so please upload them. See you in the next lesson.